Mini slime time. Okay, so I already added the glue. Activator. Guys, there's someone upstairs. Okay. This stuff right here. Okay, well, I made the mini slime base. Have you ever tried an icy whipped cream on top? That's good, because I've tried it before. Well, bye, guys. Hopefully you had fun watching me make slime. Bye.